planted grocery store potatoes in the spring, and the plants are all gone now, all died back, and I was just curious if there were any potatoes in here. So I want to dig them up, and I found one already. I don't know if there are more. There's one. I wonder if there are any more in here, or if that was it. Oh, I feel one. They're so cute and tiny. See if there's anything else. This is not a potato root. That's from a nearby tree. At least I don't think it was. Okay. Oh, there's another. So I've always been told not to plant grocery store potatoes because they won't do as well. This isn't too bad. They're cute and tiny. Oh, look at all these little three. Still can eat them though. Oh, these re-rooted. Look at that. I kept it in the ground too long, probably. Maybe I could just put it back in, right back in the ground. I'm not feeling anything else. That might have been it. I wonder if I could find some more of the some more of the plants, because like I said, I put in, oh look, I think this is one. No, this is just a root, no potato. I put in 4 in this bed. I think that's it for this spot. Alright. That. My little grocery store potato harvest. That's all I'm doing, you know. Stick around if you want to see me try and find the other couple plants. Let's see. I probably went 18 inches-ish apart. I'm gonna look right here. This looks promising. Maybe I had a plant right here. Okay, let's go for it. Let's see if there's potatoes right here. Okay, here's one. So yeah, this must be where I put one of the plants. It'd be easier if I had done this before the plant died back. We've had such a hot July. A lot of plants have died back. Look at this cute tiny potato on a stem. I don't know, do you eat that? I guess you could. Okay, let's see if there's anything else in here. That might have been it. Nope. Oh, ooh, got a big one. Look at that. I mean, big compared to the cute little ones. Okay. So, oh, here's another. So, I mean, if you have garden space and your potatoes started to sprout inside the house, look at that. Why not throw them in the ground? If I needed this spot for other things, maybe this little amount of potatoes was not a good use for it, but I had room in the garden. Look at that itty bitty one. Okay, if there is another potato in here, I am not feeling it, so that might have been it. Okay, super fun to dig up potatoes. Okay. I think I'm just gonna cover that hole back up and then try and discover. Okay, that hole is where I got the other one. Then there's this one. So just go equidistant and just say like maybe right here. Maybe right here is where there would be. Oh look, that's got to be accurate. It's got to be right here. Okay. Dig up your potatoes when you still have the plant. You can see where they are. Okay, there's one. Oh, I'm feeling some. Here's one. There we go. Look at that. It's already rooting. I don't know. It's July. Do people put potatoes back in the ground at this time? In the desert garden? I don't know. Here's one. Ooh, here's one. That's so cute. It came from right here. It's just tucked right there. It's kind of funny, but if you do it with a shovel, I did it with a shovel one year, and I just broke right into my potatoes. But this is kind of funny because you actually have to dig. Unless your soil's super loose, and if you still have the plant. I suppose if I had the plant, I could grab the plant and pull it, and all these would have come up. But like I said, I waited too long. The plant's gone. It's all died off. Oh, I shook one out. Oh, shook another one. It's an itty bitty one. Where'd it go? It's so tiny. Lost it. There it is. Oh, here's another one. This hole's really got quite a few in it. But yeah, I did it with a shovel one time and just damaged them, just cut them in half, some of them. Alright, ready for digging for potatoes. This is fun. Oh my goodness, is that one? No, it's just like a nearby tree root that got tangled up in there. No more potatoes, I don't think. Okay, I think that is it. I know for a fact that I put 4 in. I don't think I went any further up the line. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3. 4th one should be down there. So here's my pile so far. 1, 2, 3. This has gotta be about where it was. I'm getting nothing. I either don't know the spot or this one didn't grow. Yeah, I'm getting nothing. Not a single one. Okay, I'm gonna chalk that up to that one didn't grow. If it did, you know, maybe just leaving them in there will sprout some more. There's my little piles. It's already getting pretty hot out here. July is quite hot for us. Anyway, happy gardening.